You are in the right place for your mind exercise and solve the puzzle brain treasure along with me. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first person to know when I upload anything new. So meanwhile, please pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Once you are ready with the answer, comment it under the comment section. So alright, let's go through the solutions. Here is the puzzle. Let's see, we have the equation 1. So on the equation 1, we can see there are 3 clock and the answer for this 3 clock is 21 on the first row, equation number 1. So the equation 2 says there are 3 calculators and it's equivalent to 30. The third one is equation number 3 which is having a light bulb which is equal to 15. So here if you observe that there are 2 bulbs where we have the addition and the third bulb is subtraction, and the total answer for this is 15. And the fourth equation, we have to find the answer in place of question mark. So in the fourth equation we have the combination of clock, calculator and the 3 light bulb. So let's start with the solution. So here in the equation 1, so if you have observed in the equation 1, the first clock is pointing to 9, second is also pointing to 9, and third is pointing to 3. So the solution for this is 9 plus 9 plus 3 is equal to 21. The equation 1 is solved. The second equation says in the calculator, the second row, it's inside the calculator. If you have observed, there is 1 2 3 4. The second calculator also has the value 1 2 3 4, and the third calculator value is 1 2 3 4, and the total value for this second equation is 30. So here in this calculator you can take it as a plus, minus, addition, whatever you want, but to set it into the second equation we have to consider this as a addition. So first equation is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. The second is also 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10, and the third equation is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, and 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So here the each calculator value is 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. And now let's come to the equation number 3. So equation number 3 is having a bulb. This is, if you have observed, there is a addition as well as subtraction in the equation number 3. So we have a light bulb which are exactly similar to each other. So we have one light bulb plus 2 light bulb. So 2 bulb minus single bulb is equal to 1 bulb. So 1 bulb value is equal to 15. So if you have observed, this has plus and this has minus, so this value will become 15. So single bulb value will be 15. So let's solve the fourth equation, the final row. It has a clock. So clock is at 9 o'clock. So its value is 9. Okay. The second is, if you have observed the calculator, on the second row it was having 1 2 3 4 on the top. If you have seen, it's 1 2 3 4, and in the equation which we want to solve, the fourth row, fourth equation, it has 1 2 plus 2 plus 4. So value will become 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 plus 4 is 9. So both value for the our last equation is 9 plus 9. And the third one, this is having a 3 bulbs. So if you have observed, I will maximize this one. If you have observed here, there are 3 bulbs. So as per equation number 3, the single bulb value is 15. So I will take this value as 17. Now you will be questioning why 17. So let's see the equation number 3. So if you have observed, there are 5 lines in a single bulb. So, and if the bulb value is 15, so each line value will be 3. So 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 lines in the first bulb, the same way the 5 lines in the second, and same way the 5 lines in the third bulb. So that's why it's 15. So single bulb value as per the equation 3, it's 15. So single line value will be 3. And if you see here in the last equation, we can see there are 17 lines. So on the first bulb it is 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. On the below bulb on the left side again it is 6, and on the right side the below bulb it is 5. So if you observe, 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 5 is 17. So there are total 17 lines on the last equation. All the three total 3 lines in each total 17 lines in all the 3 bulbs. So each line value is 3 as per equation number 3. So our value will become the final equation will become 9 plus 9, and the 3 bulb value is 17 into 3. So this will come to 17 into 3 will come to 51. Yes, it is coming to 51. So the final equation, if you have observed, is 9 plus 9, and this is multiplication, 9 plus 9 into 51. So applying BODMAS rule here, so we have to first solve the multiplication and then we have to solve the addition. So we will first solve this 51. 17 into 3 is 51 into 9, the second calculator value. So 51 into 9 is equal to, let's see it in the calculator, into 9 is equal to 459. So our value will become 51 into 9 is 459 plus 9. So it will be become plus 9. So friends, the solution will be 17 into 3 into 9 is equal to 459 plus 9 is equal to 468. So answer is 468. The solution for this puzzle is 468. So the tricky part here is the bulb having a number of line, and each line value is 3 as from the equation number 3.